In this video, we are going to see how to select a specific column from a PySpark data frame. In this notebook, I am using an employee CSV file as a sample. I have already loaded that file, and let me show you that. Here we have 5 columns: employee ID, name, department, salary, and location. Now let's say I only want to select employee name column only. I don't want these 5 columns. I want only this name column. For that, I can use the select function and pass the column name inside to that select function. Select data frame dot. Within this select, I will pass name dot show, and let's run it. As you can see, Spark has returned only the name column. So whenever you want to select a specific column from a data frame, you can pass the column name inside select function. You can also use data frame dot select. If you don't want to mention name only, then you can mention this data frame dot name. If you see, name will be there, dot show, and run it. Now same result you got. Now you can also mention this select in different data frame. For that, let's go to code and name df dot select and mention name, and name df dot show. The result of select is a new data frame. So I can store all data in this variable and continue working with it. The same result you got here also. Now we can also use another function to refer to the column, and that function is column. So for that, we have to import that column function. For importing, from PySpark dot SQL dot functions, and we import column, and we select here. Instead of typing name directly, we are going to use column, and within this column we will be using df dot show, and now we got the same result. We can also use this column function to refer to the column. This becomes particularly useful when we start working with column expressions, which we will cover in upcoming videos. Now let's try another one, like df dot select, and inside this column let's try df dot name and dot show. Let's see how it goes. See, now we got this error because previously within this select we provided df.name, but inside of column it is not accepting. It is throwing the non-iteratable column is non-iteratable error. So that's how we select a specific column from a PySpark data frame. In the next video, we will see how to select multiple columns.